Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm sharing 4 different sweaters from Old Navy and how you can style them from like the cold, wintry temperatures to like spring times. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time that I upload. So just so you know, the blog post will have all the links to everything in this video. So it'll be one link in the description box and then it'll take you to the blog post. If you do want to get these blog posts sent to your email, you definitely can. All you have to do is sign up for my email subscription on my website. So you can click on the blog post. If you scroll all the way down, it should be at the bottom of the site. Just put in your email address and you will get the email for every time I upload a new blog post. So let's get started with this video. I had 2 different ways that I styled these sweaters. One was like a warmer way and one was a cold way. I know some states have like some pretty warm weather right now. Right here in South Carolina is 70 degrees, but then other places it's still like 30, 40, 50 degrees outside. So I figured this would be perfect to show you how to kind of transition the sweaters that you have. These can be any sweaters, but these are really, really affordable, cute ones from Old Navy, and 2 of these would be so adorable for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So the first one that I want to share with you is this bright red sweater. It is the most beautiful shade of red. It would be so beautiful for Valentine's Day. If you're a teacher, you could wear this to work. You could wear this out to dinner. So many different ways that you could style this. The first way I would style this is with some black jeans. I love these leopard booties with the red. I think it just looks so adorable. If you don't have the leopard booties, you could go for black ones, something like that. And then also, I love accessories to play up any outfit. For the winter time, I love scarves like this one from Amazon. This plaid one is so affordable and it's perfect because it's not like too bulky. So I love this plaid one and I think it looks adorable with the red scarf because it has a little bit of blush pink in it. And don't worry about mixing patterns. A leopard pattern and this like plaid color pattern just like work really well together. So don't worry about that. And they're pretty far away from each other, so it's not like they're right next to each other. And then I also love these big black sunglasses from Amazon. They're so affordable. Again, I believe they're $13, and then a black purse. So I just love playing up accessories any time of year, but especially like in the winter time to kind of just elevate an outfit. So that's the cold weather option. Now to the warm weather option. So for this one, I have on these shorts from Old Navy. They're the boyfriend fit. They're my favorite shorts ever because they flow away from the legs. They don't suck your legs in like sausages, so they make your legs look really nice and defined. They're really comfortable and they're just awesome shorts. So I highly recommend those. And then so I always like to front tuck these types of sweaters. I think they look better that way. You could also tie it in a little knot. I've done that. That looks really beautiful. And again, play up the accessories. So for this one, I have on this gold necklace from Amazon. Again, the same Amazon sunglasses. And I did a leopard flat in this one. These ones are from Target. Everything will be linked in a blog post that will be in the description box. So you just click the blog post and then it'll take you to all the links for everything. There'll be photos of these outfits, and then underneath it, there'll be all the links to everything. So for this time of year, I did like a leopard flat. You could do basically anything, a sandal, whatever. And then I have, again, the same purse. So it's basically the same outfit formula, like an accessory around the neck, a necklace, a sunglass, purse, and then a shoe. So just kind of the same formula, but for warm weather. Okay, then the next sweater I want to mention is this really beautiful pink sweater. Again, would be gorgeous for Valentine's Day. I love the V in this. I did size up 2 sizes because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized. If you want it more fitted, then go with that. But the way I have it is a little bit more oversized. So definitely size up a couple sizes if you want it to look the same way that I have it. So I love this. For the warm weather option, I have on faux leather leggings. These ones are actually from Target that I will mention in another haul, but you guys are getting a sneak peek and you can shop them if you would love or like to. They are so good and really, really affordable. Okay, so enough with that. So then I have on some black booties, a little bit of socks that I love wearing, you know, kind of like a cozy sock, and then peeping them out of a booty like that. I just kind of scrunch them down at the bottom and they look so adorable. And then I have on this button-down shirt over top of it. You could do a chambray top. You could do a jean jacket, anything like that over top. And then, you know, sunglasses and a purse. So again, just kind of layering things to make it look a little bit more elevated. And of course, for warmth during the cold weather months. So then on to the warm weather outfit formulation. I have on some white shorts. Again, these are from Old Navy. Right now they make some of my favorite shorts. Then I have on the same gold necklace. I love this necklace. I just got it from Amazon. It's adorable. And then sunglasses as well. These ones are from Amazon. And a purse from Walmart that is so affordable. I think it's $13 and it's reversible with this cognac-y color and then a black. And then I have on a cognac sandal to kind of mix and match. I love that color for the springtime, especially with a white. It just looks so beautiful. So that's my formulation for the springtime one. Again, I front tucked this. You could tie it, you could do whatever, but if you're wearing shorts, I highly recommend front tucking or tying it into a knot because it's gonna really accentuate your waist and make you look smaller there. Okay, the next outfit in sweater is this striped like navy blue and white sweater. I think this is gorgeous. This is a nice lightweight sweater for whatever time of year. This one's like more of a tunic length, so this would look beautiful with leggings or whatever, but I do have it with a black pair of jeans, front tucked, and then I have on a white sneaker, some gold sunnies, and that same Walmart bag. So a really cute outfit for running errands, doing whatever. You could of course elevate this with like a heel, like a booty or something, but I just wanted to keep it super casual for like running errands. And like I said, this is so gorgeous. I love these deep these V's, but they're not like too deep to where you're like falling out of them. So love stripes right now, and this is so adorable. And for the warmer weather, again, I have on a pair of shorts. These are the same boyfriend denim from Old Navy. And these ones have a little bit of distressing, which I think looks so cute. I love the light wash against the like navy blue and white. I think it looks so adorable for this time of year. Then my shoes are these booties with a peep toe and a little black heel, and they are so comfortable, and they're from Amazon, and I highly recommend them for this time of year. I'm going to be getting so much wear out of them. You can wear them with jeans, shorts, skirts, whatever you want. They're just so adorable. And then I have this bag from Target as well. It's like a pop of color with the navy because it is a neutral, and so this like blush pink looks so cute with that as well. I don't know if it's in stock right now. It was from like more of the fall time, but I will check for sure and link similar options for you. Okay, and the last thing is this sweatshirt that I am wearing. I've been wearing it nonstop, and for a while there, it was on sale for like $12. I don't know if it still is, but it's really affordable either way. It's so cozy. It is oversized and it has a slit in the back. It's nice and long, so you can wear it with leggings. I just have it paired with a typical pair of black leggings, and for the colder months, I would wear it with like a big blanket scarf that I have just like tied in the front, a beanie, and some boots. That's like kind of what I would wear running errands, doing whatever around the house, just to be nice and warm. And then for the warmer months, I would wear it with, again, a pair of leggings, a pair of sneakers. These are from Walmart. I love them so much. They're so comfortable. They have like a memory foam bottom, and they're amazing. And then I have on a baseball hat that's from Walmart as well. They have like $3 baseball hats, and they're adorable. You have to get them most of the time in store though, because they're so affordable. They don't really like to ship them. So yeah, that's kind of all I would wear running errands in like the springtime. So I hope this helped you guys for transitioning some of the pieces that you have from your winter wardrobe into the springtime. I know it's so hard to dress in the springtime because during the middle of the day, it's usually really warm, but in the morning it's cold. So these are kind of ways to make it so that you're warm in some areas, and then you have more skin showing so that you can breathe basically. The outfit formulas are all very similar. I love accessories to play up more affordable pieces because they just elevate a look no matter what. Add some sunglasses, add a purse, add a necklace, a bracelet, something like that, a fun pop of shoe, like a leopard print or something, will really kind of like elevate the outfit. So I hope this helped you guys out with styling in the winter / spring months, and I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day, and these two sweaters would be so cute for anything Valentine's related. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time that I upload. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye guys.